Be ready. Start. The applicant in the instant petition under section 482 CRPC is aggrieved by the summoning order dated 31/2019 passed by First Additional Sessions Judge Balia in complaint case number 74 of 2018 bracket Shiv Bachchan versus Dhananjay bracket band, comma, by which while taking cognizance of the offences under sections 354, 323 IPC and section 7 by 8 protection of children from sexual offences act 2012, the learned additional sessions judge, comma, has summoned the applicant thereunder stop para. It reflects from the record that the grandfather of victim so and so filed a complaint bracket registered as complaint case number 74 of 2018 bracket band against the applicant under sections 354, 323 IPC and section 7/8 of the Act 2012, alleging that his granddaughter has been molested by the applicant who is minor, being aged about 17 years. Stop. Learned additional sessions judge, after recording the statement of complainant under section 200 CRPC and the witnesses under section 202 CRPC, has summoned the applicant as indicated above. Stop para. Learned counsel for the applicant has assailed the impugned summoning order as well as the proceedings in the aforesaid complaint case on the following grounds: A. That earlier a first information report, being case crime number 100 of 2018, has been lodged by the victim herself against the applicant on 31/8/2018, and her statement under section 161 CRPC was also recorded, wherein she stated her age to be about 19 years. Stop. And just after 11 days of lodging the aforesaid FIR, the grandfather of the victim has filed the impugned complaint on 12/9/2018, mentioning the victim to be a minor and a different version of the incident, para B, that in case number crime number 100 of 2018 lodged by the victim herself, charge sheet has already been submitted against the applicant under sections 354 and 323 IPC, and para start that parallel proceedings in respect of the same incident oblique offence is barred in view of various decisions of the apex court as well as subsection 2 of section 210 CRPC, contending that a report under section 173 has already been made by the investigating police officer under section 173 CRPC. Stop para. On the above grounds, counsel for the applicant prays that the impugned summoning order and the entire proceedings are liable to be quashed. Stop para. On the other hand, learned AGA submits that the additional sessions judge has rightly exercised the power while summoning the applicant, and the charge sheet has been filed in the FIR lodged by the victim under section 354 and 323 IPC only, and not under section 7/8 of the Act 2012. Stop para. I have considered the rival submissions so raised by the parties and perused the record. Stop para. It is admitted by the parties that charge sheet has been submitted against the accused applicant under section 354 323 IPC on the FIR lodged by the victim para. In order to appreciate the controversy in hand, it is relevant to have a glance upon section 210 CRPC, which is a beneficial piece of legislation to the accused, object of which is to ensure that cognizance of the same offence is not taken more than once and the accused is not subjected to different criminal proceedings in respect of the same offence. Stop. ओवरऑल सो ये डिक्टेशन जो मैंने बोली है इसमें मैंने कुछ ना कुछ चेंज भी किया है बीच बीच में। सो वो इसीलिए चेंज किया ताकि कोई नकल ना मारे, ठीक है, और नकल मारे तो उसको खुद से पता लगे कि उसने गलत किया है, ठीक है। इसलिए मैटर को सोच समझ के करना है, चाहे इसकी बार बार प्रैक्टिस करके कर लो। जो लिंक होगा पीडीएफ का वो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको मिल जाएगा, ठीक है। तो इसकी प्रैक्टिस करनी है, तभी लिखना है, ठीक है, तभी टाइप करना है। और कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताएं कि डिक्टेशन कैसी लिखी गई। थैंक्स टू ऑल।